Whoa, look at me here. That's cool, isn't it? Oh, yeah, that it is. Nasal strips. Myth or must have? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Imagine a small, inconspicuous strip on your nose could improve your workout, stop your snoring, or simply help you get the deeper sleep. That sounds like magic? Almost. Today, we are putting these famous nasal strips or nasal plasters under the microscope. You have probably seen them on football stars, the basketball players, or endurance athletes. But are the little adhesive strips really a game changer? Do they only help with sports, or also they are all a good solution for everyone who struggles to breathe at night and is driving their bed partners crazy? We will clarify how they work, what benefit they truly offers, and do the ultimate self-test. Stick around because the result might surprise you. First, of course, the technology behind that. That means, what are these strips actually? A nasal strip is a flexible adhesive patch with two embedded string like plastic or metal bands in it. We can place the strip horizontally across the bridge of our nose, just above the nostrils. Once secured, the built-in band tries to return to its original position, flat shape. Yeah, you see. In doing so, it gently, of course, yeah, pulls the sides of the nose outwards and it lifts the nasal passages. The simple mechanical effect widens the narrowest points in the nasal passage. We are talking about the so called nasal valve, the valve that is often too constricted. By lifting it, the airflow is significantly improved. This happens immediately and without any medication. And now let's start with the best known application sports, of course. Many professional athletes out there swear by them. The reason? During the intense exertion, the body often switches to mouth breathing because the air resistance in the nose becomes too high. With that kind of strips, we can get more air through our nose. This can lead to a calmer, more efficient breathing rhythm. Sure, it won't turn us into a marathon runner overnight, but maybe in 1 week. But the subjective effects for many is, of course, free breathing sensation. That means less struggle for air, longer nasal breathing, which is generally healthier and filters the air much better, and better focus because you do not have to concentrate as much on the breathing process. While scientific studies on the performance enhancing are mixed, the physically precision advance is reason enough for many athletes. If you feel that you're getting more air, that's already, of course, a win for you. And let's move to the second big thing, sleep and snorking. Nasal strips can be help, but they are not a miracle's cure for all types of snorking. They will help if your snorkeling is caused by a constricted nasal airway. This means if you're snork because the air can't properly pass through our nose, forcing you to the breathing through the mouth. The strip opens the nose, reduces the resistance, and ideally, of course, reduce the snorking sound because the vibrations decrease. Improve the sleep quality. You and, of course, your partners sleep more soundly and relieve congestion. Perfect for colds, allergies, or heavy fever, for example. They do not help if your snorking is caused by issue in the throat area, a floppy tongue, or a sleep apnea. If the strip shows no effect after 1 or 2 weeks, you should consider a doctor. And of course, sports. I test this. I genuinely felt like I could breathe deeper and longer through my nose. It was any unfamiliar but freer feeling of it, especially towards the end of the workout, when I usually switch to mouth breathing. It made a difference. And the sleep. I asked my partner to monitor my snorkeling. And my subject feeling was that I woke up more rested because I had less of a dry mouth. That's a strong indicator of better nasal breathing overnight. And it's important to get them right on it. We clean the skin first. This is the most important thing. Your nose must be oil free or the strip won't stick. And the position correctly. You place it centrally over the point where the nostrils are narrowest, usually just below the bony part. And then we press down. We hold it firmly for a few seconds, job's done. And there are various brands on the market, yeah? They are relatively inexpensive, often between 30 and 50 cents per piece, but the size and the artificial strength works are different, so check some of them. My conclusion, nasal strips are not a medical replacement for serious problems, but a real drug-free aid. For athletes, noticeable boost in breathing comfort. For snorkelers, worth a try if the because lies in the nose. For everyone out there, a simple solution for a stuffy nose due to cold or allergies. Maybe have you ever tried nasal strips? Write in the comments. What are your experiences? Where are the game changers during the running? Or did your partner finally get a full night of sleep after you used that? Tell me in the comments, please. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope see you again on my channel. Soon.